Welcome to Kiddo English Hub Educational Channel.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. How can I help you today?
Good evening. I would like a table for one, please.
Of course. Please follow me. Here is your table.
Thank you. Could I see the menu, please?
Certainly. Here is the menu. Our special today is grilled salmon with vegetables.
That sounds delicious. But I need a few minutes to decide.
No problem. Take your time. Let me know when you are ready to order.
After a few minutes.
Excuse me, I'm ready to order.
Great. What would you like to have?
I'll have the grilled salmon with vegetables.
Excellent choice. Would you like any appetizers?
Yes, I'll have a bowl of tomato soup.
All right. And what would you like to drink?
Just a glass of water, please.
Sure. Your order will be ready soon.
A little later.
Here is your tomato soup. Enjoy.
Thank you.
After finishing the soup.
How was your soup?
It was very tasty.
I'm glad you liked it. Your main course will be ready soon.
A few minutes later.
Here is your grilled salmon with vegetables. Be careful, it's hot.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Enjoy your meal. Let me know if you need anything.
After finishing the meal.
How was your meal?
It was amazing. Everything was perfect.
I'm happy to hear that. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
No, thank you. I'm full. Just the bill, please.
Sure. Here is your bill.
All right. Here's the payment.
Thank you. Would you like a receipt?
No, that's okay.
All right. Thank you for dining with us. Have a great evening.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe to our channel.